Good day everyone. I am Shahad B. Abdullah and we will discuss the obstacles to globalization. Language barrier. This is the most common obstacles on globalization. It is very difficult to discuss business with someone who does not speak your language or cannot speak any other language but his own. But because of expanding markets, more and more people are trying to study other languages to have an edge in businesses. Dito naman papasok ang interpreter na makakatulong i-bypass ang language barrier at dahil dito pwede mo na sabihin ang gusto mong iparating at maintindihan ang ibang lengguwahe. Laws. Laws provide protection but it can also be detrimental to business operation. There are laws that prohibit the exportation or importation of certain products or drugs. So if alam mo yung laws ng bansang papasukan ng business or company mo, ito ay advantages sa iyo. Currency fluctuation. When buyers and sellers engage in business, they agree on the currency to use and how to effect payment. The difficulty is that currencies in the international market are not stable. They tend to fluctuate over time. This can be remedied by forecasting. Usually, price quotation are based on forward or future projections. So, this disadvantage sa atin yung mataas na exchange rate ng dollar sa peso. Dahil habang lumalakas ang dollar, humihina naman ang value ng ating peso dito sa Pinas. Political climate. Doing business in a politically unstable environment is very risky. Civil war or coup d'etat can happen anytime, resulting in business losses. Again, familiarity of what is going on in the political arena of a country is vital. Example dito ay ang Myanmar. Coup d'etat dahil dito risky ang business at hindi stable ang income sa bansang ito. Traffics or taxes. Governments impose high traffics on imported goods to protect its local products. More traffics are also added to increase government revenue. Fortuitous events. Storms in the open seas, fire on board, workers' protests at the port, terrorist attacks, and other calamities all add up to the risk of global businesses. Here is where insurance is important. Peace and order. No businessman would want to do business in a country that has too many riots, high crime rate, terrorists, and high record of human rights violation. Clearly, the risk to do business there is high. Regional trade alliances. To ensure the continued flow of goods and availability of products in their territories, countries belonging to a certain region organize themselves to engage in trade. Some of these are the European Union, North American Free Trade Agreement, and the Association of Southeast Asian Nations. If markets in Europe are hard to penetrate, then do business in the region where your country belongs. Isang reason bakit ang leaders ng ibang bansa ay bumibisita sa ibang bansa ay para makipag-usap ng trade at ang tsansa na makipag-import at export ng mga goods at products.